Hello, everyone! Today we are going on a fascinating journey through all the seasons of the year. As we all know, there are 4 seasons of the year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season has its own unique characteristics such as different weather, plants, and animals. And so we begin our journey. Let's go! Spring. It's a wonderful time of year. Nature comes alive, throws off its winter blanket, and rejoices in the gentle rays of sunshine. Nature is all around turning green and blooming, and you can hear birds singing from everywhere. It's a great time to go to the park and admire the beauty around you, watching the different kinds of birds and animals that are active in the spring. Springtime activities such as hiking, biking, and sports are popular. Farmers plant vegetables and fruits in the spring. Also in the spring we celebrate Easter, a wonderful and fun holiday. We all love to collect eggs and have fun. Who likes spring? Write me in the comments. And we're off on our way, and it's summer. Hooray! Summer is sun, sea, ocean, relaxation, and most importantly it's canicules, which allows us to take a break from our school routine and get more free time to pursue our interests and hobbies. In the summer we can participate in different activities such as swimming, playing sports, going to camps and trips, and it is a great way to make new friends and create unforgettable memories. It is also a time when we can enjoy the warm weather, spend time outdoors, and have fun with our friends. Summer is also a great time for families to spend it together, going on vacations, having picnics, or just enjoying time together. Summer is filled with fruits and berries and fields with the vegetables we all love so much. All in all, summer is a wonderful time of year when we enjoy the warmth, freedom, and fun of the season. And then there is no less wonderful time of year: autumn. Autumn. The weather becomes cool and rainy, but no less beautiful because miracles are happening all around. The recently green leaves turn into gold, orange, and red and rain down on the trees. Nature is falling asleep little by little. Birds fly south. Farmers are harvesting a bountiful harvest of fruits and vegetables. And of course, autumn is Halloween. Everyone loves it, don't they? Scary fun holiday and lots of candy. A great time to get together with your friends and have fun. We also go back to school in the fall for new knowledge and accomplishments, as well as school friends. And, of course, next comes winter. Winter. Nature is asleep at this time of year, and many animals have also gone into hibernation. It gets really cold, snow falls, and the fun begins. After all, playing with snow is very interesting and fun. Snowballs, sleds, snowboards, skis, skates, it's super. We can roll in the snow, make a snow angel, or make snowmen. And did you know that no 2 snowflakes are the same? They are all different and unique, just like you and me. And of course, winter is a holiday that we all love and look forward to. It's the new year. A Christmas tree, presents, surprises, and lots of fun. The whole family gets together and spends unforgettable time. A wonderful time when, what do you think? Now that our journey has come to an end, we all know that every season is beautiful in its own way. What is your favorite time of year? Write me. Also, at some other time of the year, we all have another equally long-awaited holiday: our birthday. Who has it at what time of year? I have my birthday in the fall, and you? Write me. I hope you enjoyed our journey. If so, put a like and subscribe. See you soon.